Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how I make this cute little leather bow. For this one I actually used a glitter canvas, but I'm going to actually show you with two different types of material, both the glitter canvas and the faux leather. So these are super easy, quick and simple. They're also a no-sew bow. So I use a piece that is approximately 2 3/4 inches in width, and the piece is about 7.5 inches. So it's actually, I'm really just cutting this way on a leather sheet. So it's actually really easy. You're gonna just take your piece of material and fold it in half to create a crease. And this is the glitter canvas. And you're gonna just run a strip of glue. And then see how it's not quite to the center, it's just kind of off to the side. And then you're gonna go ahead and just bring the end of your fabric to the center crease and just give it a little press there. And then you're going to do the same thing on this side. Okay, and bring it up. Super quick. And then now for the creases, hold on, you want to have your piece of ribbon handy, so go ahead and just heat seal that end so it's ready. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and fold it in half this way and kind of just give it a pinch through right there, because you're going to bring it up and create another peak. I talk about this in some of my previous videos, but it's the same idea. So just go ahead and bring it up and form another peak. And there you go. It's a perfect bow tie bow. So now what you're going to want to do is go ahead and just put a dot of glue right there in the center. And get your piece of ribbon that's already heat sealed. Sorry. Give it a light press. Let that set. And then go ahead and just bring your ribbon around. Sorry, I should have let that dry just a second longer. At this point, you could actually glue in. Actually, let me go ahead and give it another. You could actually glue in your clip. So go ahead and put your dot of glue. Set your clip. And let that sit. You want to go ahead and just kind of keep a hang on it so that way that glue can dry. Feed this through. And I do use a lined alligator clip. I pre-lined it. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and just cut this end off. And heat seal it. And there you go. Super easy leather bow. This one is in glitter canvas. This canvas is available on our website. I have it in both faux leather and in the glitter canvas. I thought it was too pretty to pass up in the glitter canvas. And then you're going to go ahead and just cut your center piece and wrap it around and glue it in. So there's that one. Here's one that I made. And then for the leather bow, we're going to do the exact Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make one using the faux leather. This one has the leather feeling to it. You're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna fold it in half. Give it a nice press. I did go ahead and mark a line on there just so you can see it a little bit better this time around. And then you're gonna go ahead and just apply a thin line of hot glue. Bring your leather to the center and give it a nice little press. And do the same on this side. Bring it to the center and just give it a press. So I do know that some people call these pinch bows. They're also, it's like a standard bow tie bow. And you're simply gonna go ahead from here, you're gonna go ahead and just pinch it to the middle. And then make another pinch. And another pinch. This one is a little harder to work with. It is more firm. And then from here, you're gonna go ahead and just put a dot of glue. And put your ribbon. And go ahead and just make sure that dries. And then bring it around. Give it a clip. Seal the ends of the ribbon. And bring it up. And there you go. It's just your standard bow tie / pinch bow. I do have another version of this one where you don't bring the flaps in, and it's just just a standard one with a blunt edge. That one is available. It's actually a few posts back if you want to go and view that one. And then so the same thing for the center. You're going to go ahead and just get your small piece, and you're going to cut about a 1/2 inch to a 1/4 inch, or like 3/8. It's going to cover your 3/8 ribbon. So, and then you're going to go ahead and just bring that around. And there you go. So I do want to share some of the new holiday prints of faux leather and faux canvas that are available on our website or Etsy store. The links are in our bio or in the body of the video. They are, or you can go to www.ohsweetbabyboutique.com. But this one here is our glitter canvas with snowflakes. We have the glitter canvas in candy cane. And then we have this white glitter canvas with a colorful sprinkle. There's my little guy. This one is a red glitter canvas with a sprinkle as well. Then we have the buffalo plaid. We have the faux leather in candy cane. And we have the faux leather in a red and green plaid. So these are the new prints for the holidays. They are up on the website and the Etsy store. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to comment below and I'll answer them as soon as I can. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. And I look forward to making more videos for you guys. Have a great weekend.